So this is basil mint, which you can use in your salad oils or the herbal oils or the herbal vinegars. Really good for the digestion, and also adds a really nice flavour to both of those things. Okay, this is basil, which we can use in the vinegars or the oils. This is apparently holy basil, but I'm not quite sure because there's been a bit of dissension about this one. It's very, very flavoursome, very aromatic, and really good for aiding your digestion, helping to get stop you from getting wind, flatulence, that sort of thing, and also just helps with digestion of really heavy proteins and things like that, and very easy to grow. So this is lavender. This is English lavender, which is used in lotions or ointments, especially good for skin problems like eczema, psoriasis, also good for stretch marks, and basically any inflammatory or horrible skin conditions. It's really very, very healing and very soothing.
Do you just rub it on straight on, or do you have to do something to it first?
No, this is included in the lotions.
In the lotions.
Yep. What we've got here is goldenrod, which is really good for treating catarrh. So I'm including it in a oxymel for treating asthma, but it's really good for hay fever, sinusitis. It's also good for cleaning out catarrh in the urinary tract because it helps to flush out catarrh. It's also diuretic. What we've got here is mullein, which is really, really useful for respiratory conditions, especially if they're dry, like dry coughs. Really helpful for asthma. This stem you see here is the flower stem, which the seeds come off. It's called Aaron's rod, okay, because it's quite long, and the leaves can get up to about this big on the base. This is in its second throw, this plant, but when it first starts they get really huge and very, very soft, as you can see on the underneath. It looks a little bit like the inner lining of the lungs, and very, very demulcent, so it's quite soothing, especially if there's an irritated like cough or dry cough.